So we got Plymouth here against Northampton. It's 0-0 at half-time. And the XG looking very, very solid in favour of Plymouth. I mean, it's all Plymouth looking at that. So, obviously, the calculator's showing us home win, projected match result, total goals overdue is 1, and that's in favour of Plymouth. So, this is almost as clear-cut as you can get. Now, let's look at the markets, and you can see this price on Plymouth is pretty nice, right? So, 2.5. And let's just get an idea of the market movement during this first half. So they started just above evens, so they've drifted out, but not by too much. So anyway, looks like a nice little opportunity here. So with time decay, that price on Plymouth is going to rise. So we've got orders in the market to take advantage of that, and we're also getting involved on the goals market. We've got a goal overdue, and so as you can see, we've got all our lay orders into the market here, all the way down to 1.18. Anyway, let's see what happens in the second half. 58 minutes on the clock. We've had a goal in this one. It's not gone the way we wanted. We backed Plymouth, didn't we, at half-time? It was looking very, very good. It's actually Northampton who have taken the lead. The scoreboard doesn't show the goal just yet, but I assure you, Northampton have taken the lead. So anyway, all our bets on Plymouth have been cancelled, our further orders, and we're obviously staring down the barrel of a red screen on the match odds market. The good news is the goal markets are much better. So we could actually take a profit out of this right now. But first thing I will do is, in fact, hold on. Yeah, let's just cancel the rest of these bets because we're not going to need that right now. So the first thing I will do, we're just going to take the risk out of this and leave ourselves a bit of a free bet on the over 1.5 goals while we make a decision about what to do next on this one, because this goal has definitely arrived against the run of play, or against the run of the XG. Let's take a look at the data. So I've updated the XG. Now let's update the correct score, which is 1-0 in favour of Northampton. So still, the projected match result is still on a home win to Plymouth. It's obviously a big ask now for 2 goals to turn it around, but we're still looking at team goals overdue, 1 in favour of Plymouth. So we're still expecting Plymouth to get on the score sheet. We're still expecting another goal in this one. So we're going to let this run, and let's try and get that second goal in this one. If we do, we're going to land £106 of profit. We've obviously minus 33 on the match odds market at the moment, but we've got some green on Plymouth. There's still time for them to turn it around. But either way, if we get that second goal, we've traded out. We've got our free bet now on over 2.5. Well, sorry, not over 2.5, over 1.5. So let's try and get that second goal. Let's get into profit on this match, and then we'll reassess depending on who scores that second goal. We are expecting it. Let's see what happens. Plymouth 0, Northampton 1 on 61 minutes. 66 minutes on the clock. We just had a red card to Plymouth. That is going to change everything, and we will actually exit this trade now and take what we can. Just take what we can off the table and move on. Plymouth, it's obviously, I mean, they obviously had a very good first half, didn't they? Second half, a bit of a nightmare. Goal against the run of play, now a red card. So anyway, we will take £61 of profit on the goal market. We're not going to do any further trading in this one. It's going to be too hard to read this, and obviously we're just going to have to accept that match odds stake is gone. Okay, so minus 33 on the match odds market, but we do have 61 locked in, so very close to £30 profit overall over the 2 markets. And you got a good example of just what can happen in football. Okay, so we followed the data, didn't we, when we entered the market at half time. We had a goal go against us, but the goal markets were obviously a bit of a saviour for us. I was going to stick with it, look for that second goal, maybe look for a Plymouth comeback, but that red card has changed everything. Let's just exit. Let's take the profits. Let's look for an easier match to trade. That's something I always tell the members. If the match starts to get hard to trade, there's always going to be easier ones out there. So anyway, we're out of this one. Plymouth 0, Northampton 1. So I hope you enjoyed checking that out. And if you want to see more clips just like this, then the best thing to do is to click the like button. Let YouTube know that you like videos just like this, and YouTube will obviously recommend more videos like this to you in the future. Just click the like button. And in case you didn't see it, we're currently giving this book away for free at the time of recording this clip. Okay, this is the XG Manifesto. It's packed full of live trades broken down just like the trade you just saw, and then many more on top of that. We also show you the main elements of interpreting XG data to find those money making trades, what they are, how we incorporate them. And basically, if you are just looking to go to the next level with your football trading, then this book is worth checking out, and it's absolutely free. The link should be in the description of this video. And also, obviously, you've got that QR code to scan. So you can just scan that code, put in your very best email address, and we will send the book right to you for you to check out. But this is only for the serious football traders who want to go to the next level. And this video that you're currently on is just a clip. If you want to see the full video, which is packed with many more real life trading demonstrations just like this and key takeaways and golden nuggets, the full video is on the screen right now. So that's where you should head to next. Just click that full video and then start watching right now.